This is Autoline Daily reporting on the global automotive industry. Hi, I'm Sean McElroy. It's February 12th of 2019. Now let's get to the news. Most car dealers are a conservative lot, and a lot of them are big supporters of President Trump. But Bloomberg reports that a lot of them are not at all happy with the president's threats to impose 25% import tariffs on cars and car parts. Next week, Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross will wrap up a study to determine if imported cars impose a national security threat, and he'll give his recommendation to Trump. A study by the Center for Automotive Research concludes that a 25% import tariff would cost dealerships $66 billion in sales and would eliminate 117,000 dealership jobs. And that's why so many car dealers are against the tariffs. The new Toyota Corolla sedan will likely go on sale later this year, and we're finding the fuel economy numbers for the hybrid to be pretty interesting. It's rated at 53 mpg in the city, 52 on the highway, and 52 combined. Those figures are nearly identical to the Prius. And while Toyota hasn't announced price for the Corolla hybrid, it will likely butt right up against the price of the Prius. So that makes us wonder, why does Toyota need a dedicated hybrid platform? Add to that, sales of the Prius hybrid were down 31.5% in 2018 and a whopping 67% last month. Could white wall tires be making a comeback? That's coming up next.
Lighter, safer, stronger, quieter, and more sustainable. Tell us where you need to go, and we'll help you get there. Dow Automotive Systems. We don't succeed unless you do.
Alpina is a company that makes high-performance versions of BMWs, and here's its take on the new 7 Series. It's expectedly painted in a deep blue color and rides on thinly spoked 20-inch wheels, 2 trademarks of Alpina. Under the hood is a reworked twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, which now produces 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed transmission and all-wheel drive. That allows this nearly 5,000-pound beast to go from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and top out at over 200 miles per hour. The vehicle is also lowered by a little over half an inch. Look for the Alpina B7 to hit the market in the third quarter with a price tag of a little under $143,000. Toyota's in-house tuning shop, TRD, is reaching its hands into parts of the lineup it never has before. Now it's showing off a concept version of the all-new Supra. There's no changes to the powertrain or suspension, but rather a number of carbon fiber aero elements and a set of 19-inch wheels. It gives the Supra a little bit more of a race car vibe. Speaking of Toyota, did it just come out with the ultimate white wall tires? These all-white tires were designed by John Elliott, who used inspiration from his Nike Air Force One shoes to create them. Lexus is using this as a way to promote the new UX crossover, and it certainly is eye-catching. Did you know that only 3 automotive groups control 75% of the Russian car market? We'll tell you who they are right after this.
Autoline Daily is brought to you by Bridgestone Tires, your journey, our passion. Dow Automotive Systems, advanced materials that deliver better results. And by ExxonMobil.
Automakers and suppliers are pouring billions of dollars into the development of autonomous vehicles. But a report from ABI Research found that companies are scaling back those autonomous efforts to focus on advanced driver assistance systems. Fully autonomous vehicles are still a ways off, as well as very complex. But suppliers can make money right now on ADAS technology. The take rate these days for systems like that is still pretty low, but by 2022, the researchers estimate that around 26 million vehicles will be shipped with SAE Level 2 technology. The car market in Russia never really recovered from sanctions imposed on the country for invading Crimea. Last month, sales came to 103,000 vehicles, up only a fraction of 1%. Did you know the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi AutoVAZ alliance dominates the Russian market? It has 36% of the market. In the old Soviet Union days, that would have been considered a monopoly. Hyundai-Kia has 26% market share, and the VW Group has about 13%. Those three groups control 75% of the market. And hey, be sure to tune in to Autoline After Hours later this week. We'll be talking about the all-new Cadillac XT6 with John Plonka, the chief engineer of the vehicle. So if you have any burning questions about the SUV, send them our way to viewermail at autoline.tv or hit us up on social media. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please join us again tomorrow.